This is the equipment you're going to need to view stomata with a light microscope. You're going to need some sellotape, a glass slide, some clear nail polish, a leaf, and a light microscope. The surface of the leaf is covered in lots of tiny little holes or pores that are called stomata. Now these allow the exchange of gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. These diffuse in and out of the stomata. So a leaf will have more stomata on the bottom side compared to the top to prevent the leaf from drying out in the sunlight. So what you're going to do is you're going to get some clear nail polish and you're going to cover a section of the bottom of the leaf with some clear nail polish. Just a thin layer. And then we're going to leave that for about 30 seconds to dry. Okay, it's been about 30 seconds, so you want to get some sellotape, being very careful not to touch the piece of sellotape with your fingerprint that you're going to put over the nail polish. Okay, now we're going to lift that off the leaf. And there we have a print of the underside of the leaf on the sellotape. We're then going to stick this onto a glass slide, trying to avoid getting any air bubbles. And I'm going to cut off the excess pieces of sellotape from either side. Next, we're going to set up the microscope. So we want to lower the stage to its lowest position, and we want to choose the smallest objective lens with the lowest magnification. We're then going to load the slide onto the stage, securing it with the stage clips. And you want to make sure that part of the imprint is over the light, so the light can pass through it. And then we're going to raise the stage until it's just underneath the objective lens. So the reason why we raise the stage towards the objective lens, looking at it from the side, is because if you're looking at it through the eyepiece lens, you can't see where you're going, so you might push the slide into the objective lens, damaging both the lens and the slide. So all that's left is to turn the microscope on and look through the eyepiece lens and then focus your image. If you want to view the stomata at a high magnification, then you can lower the stage, choose a higher powered objective lens, and then once again looking at it from the side, you can raise the stage until it's just below the objective lens, and then look through the eyepiece lens and slowly move the stage away until the image is in focus.